Hello, in this video I will show you how to create an executable file for your PyQt project. Here my folder, and let me open my code. This is my code for my PyQt project here, but first we need to create an environment. You can use ppmv, but I use Anaconda. Let's create our environment. For this process, we have to use Python 3.5 or Python 3.6. I will use Python 3.6. And let's activate our environment. And we need to install FPS for creating an executable file and PyQt 5 and PyWin32. Don't forget PyWin32 because it will give error. And we will need to install our modules, what we use here. I use OpenCV for my project. And let me install it. Okay, and we will choose our interpreter here, Py2xa. Okay, and let's type our FPS. We will use FPS runtime dot application context. We need application context, and let's change these a little bit. My window is this one actually. We don't need that one. Our exit codes. Okay, I am saving this by pressing Ctrl plus C. Sorry, Ctrl plus S. And I'm gonna head my directory. What was that? PyXA. Okay. We don't need that one actually. Now here we will start our project with FPS. Let's type FPS start project, and we can give a name for our application. We can say Qt app and author in 10. Doesn't matter. Press enter and type FPS run. When we type it, our GUI will appear. Sorry, I forgot to do something. We will need to copy these two. Go to source folder. By the way, this is created when you typed start project. And main Python, and copy it here. Delete this main.py and rename your py folder as main.py. Again, let's try it. Okay, this is my project. This is my GUI actually. But we don't have here an exe folder. and let's create it. We will type FPS freeze for that. It will take a couple of seconds. Okay, and here you see target folder is created, and I will copy my UI folder and go to target Qt app. This is what we gave in command prompt, and copy it in here. Then that was my application's name, Qt app. Now open it, and you see our PyQt folder is actually an executable file. And if you want to change this icon here, before typing FPS freeze, go to source folder, main, and icons. And I am using Windows because I will change in the base. I'll change icons in the base. You can change these ones, and your icon will change. And that's it for my video. Thank you for watching.